day 5 in Australia. We are in Gold Coast. So today we are going to where?
I don't know.
Movie world.
Move.
Who do you think you can see?
Who you can see? Who do you think you can see?
Fear.
No, you can see maybe Batman, Spider-Man, Tom
and Jerry?
And also we have a real Batman and a
Real, yeah.
Real
a
one.
real
You can have a picture with them if possible.
possible.
Okay,
It's
what we have to do
real.
now, get ready, go have a breakfast, and then we have to go. You want to say something? Okay,
Bye.
see you in the next one.
Hi guys, today I'm doing a lot of trove.
I love you. Bye. Bye-bye, Tikka.
Hi guys.
In Gold Coast, Australia, day 5. So it's going to be a mixed kind of place where you have so many roller coasters and you can meet so many Hollywood characters like a Batman or something. So we are going inside. Let's see what we're going to have. A lot of fun inside. I'm coming. Are you excited to go inside? So what you gonna do inside?
I'm just going to be my mom.
Okay,
Yes.
let's go inside. Thank you. I'm very excited to go inside. Yoo-hoo! Woohoo! I'm very excited in the movie world. And Julia is so happy. So Juliana already go inside the movie world. She's very excited. Let's go inside, guys. Juliana, run away straight away. Juliana, do you like this place? So, dream world.
Movie world.
Movie world, dream world. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah! Woohoo! This is a place where we want to come for so long. And Yuli ran to take a picture with the koala. So I have to chase. Yeah! Tweety! Hoo-hoo! Tweety! Go and take a picture! Come on, guys! Can you take it? Come on. Juliana, come, please. Juliana, come. Ah, Juliana, so excited. Come. You like it? Let's go. Hey, look here. Oh. Juliana, so excited. Ah, quack. Juliana, very excited. Yeah. Ah, Juliana, so happy and excited to see everyone. Good. Thank you. Bye. Go to the next one. Tom and Jerry. Yeah. It's okay. Let it be.
Photos?
Yes, please.
Alright, one just with you.
You're very excited to see him.
And then a family photo.
Let's go to see him. Yeah. Juliana?
I'll just stand up for you.
Juliana. Okay, Yelena, look at them. Take a picture. Take a picture. Juliana is so happy and excited to see Batman, everyone. A nice place. We came here to see this movie's world. They all have a Disney character, some of the Hollywood characters. Very nice place. Lot of fun place, you know. So let's see what we're gonna have today. The kids. Ilan, let's go inside. Come on, it's all for the kids, right? Yeah! Having a lot of fun, Juliana, today. Wow. We're gonna go to all the rides. You can spend here whole day. Ah, even the washroom area is so cool. It's all animated and designed for the kids. Really. Movie world. So I can show you my background, how it looks like. This is a nice place where you can have kids driving. So kids can have a lot of fun and learn how to drive an actual car on the road, which is a good practice for the kids. You can see Mommy and Carmen is coming now. Finally Mommy and Carmen, yeah! It's on the ride, guys. Good job, guys! Woohoo! Good job, Mommy, good driver. You passed the driving test.
Follow that.
Ready, go! Where's Yuli? Where's Yuli? She's having a lot of fun, you know. Hey guys, this is a place, very cool place called Oil Change Restaurant Stop. Yes?
The Tom and Jerry feet.
Tom and Jerry feet. Yuli.
You know, like
It's a bug stop. You were having a rest. Oh my god, we have to chase Liliana so much. Liliana want to take a picture with everybody. Cute. Come, Liliana, say bye to them. Say bye to them. Liliana's nice to everybody, you know. She just want to hug them. That's a nice place you can see all around. So I'm gonna go and meet up with Juliana and see what they're doing. And it's a big screen they put here. If you want to see Scooby, Scooby is here to take the pictures. You can take a picture with Scooby. You want to have a picture with Scooby, you can have it. Let me call Juliana to have a picture with Scooby. But she's gonna have a lot of fun. Ooh. Superpower! Superpower! Yeah! Smile! Yippee! Let's go to see Scooby as well. Yeah.
you have to wait. You have to wait.
I don't know. Mommy, you can take it as well. One more. You look at her. Come. Thank you. You're so excited. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Let's go. Catch the duck. today. They take a lot of pictures. So let's see, go to the food court now. It's lunchtime now. It's I think 12 o'clock now. So we have some lunch. We're going on the city. Let's see. Yeah! The lot of fun, mommy and daughter. Let's go have a lot of sky. There's some taxi here. He says, yeah. I think because of, this is not the on season.
Yeah.
So that's why they are good at the renovation upgrade. Yeah, that's right. There's a mermaid. Mermaid is hidden in that. Look. I don't know what's that, mermaid or what you call it. Come on, Gina. Tell them. I'm more powerful. Take it. Yeah. Be careful. It's okay, don't be broken. Let's see what's that. You can make a movie. Yeah. Look for it. Go. Yeah, very good. Red carpet with the Hollywood movie style. You want to take a picture, Gina? We're going to take a picture. The Tom and Jerry show we're going to have it soon, and Juliana is the gatekeeper who not letting go anybody inside. Just stop everyone. A picture with you, man. She's so happy. Good job, Juliana. She's so cute. Come on, you can do it. Hit the bad people.
We're just trying to enjoy the Good Citizen Awards. Looks like you're the one outnumbered now.
Very good time with everybody. Let's take some picture, honey. So excited to see the Iron Man, Power of Girls, and the Supergirl. She's very excited. Yeah. Yeah, really nice. Okay guys, we finished the kids section today with Juliana. So let's go to the other side. Ileana very excited. Ileana, come! Ileana very super excited, you can see. Ileana. You can see. Hi, Scooby! Woo! Wave your hand, wave your hand. Woohoo! Give a flying kiss!